Hello, I'm Lola, and in this tutorial we'll go over using the player style video player plugin for Bubble. A little bit of context on the plugin. The Mux team recently released these whole suite of player style video players and audio players, and as a fun project, turned that into a plugin for the Bubble community, which you can use for free. And so this can be an alternative to some of the built-in video player elements that come with Bubble. There are a variety of really fun styles, which you can see in the show notes. I'll link that. But enough chatter. To get started, we'll install the plugin. So go to Plugins, Add Plugins, Player Style Video is the name of the plugin. Can we install the plugin? And that is all we have to do for setup. When we install the plugin, we'll get this player style video element. And currently, the player style video plugin works with video files, so if you have direct file, and YouTube links. Might work with more in the future, and there's a variety of styles. Again, I will link in the show notes the different styles, and you can look at the demo app, which shows all of the styles in action. We're doing YouTube, so we're gonna do a YouTube video. We'll keep it with the base video style. There's already a built-in demo if you just wanted to see what this looked like. But I am going to actually use a video from the Pail Labs YouTube channel. Let's do this custom position video. And we will take the ID. So in this case, we use the ID. We can use regex if you would like to kind of extract the ID, especially if you are having your users. You could use a regex statement here, but here we're just going to paste the ID, and then we're going to change the title track and the byline. For the author, this can also be a dynamic field, but for the author, I'll just put my name, and I will also put the media title here. And let's preview it. So here we are. We've got this in our player. This is a slightly different player than what's available in Bubble. We can even change the style, like if we wanted to do something kind of fun and different. We might want to try the Winamp style. That's a style that comes with the player. So we've got this kind of different player, but there are a variety of different styles. That's how you set up the plugin and use the plugin. If you do try it out, feel free to drop a note in the forum or drop a comment here. Hope you enjoy the styles, and thanks for tuning in.